And we're back with another knife review. Today we have the Steel Wheel CHATBOT. Interesting name. Which obviously comes in a black and green with a stainless blade, or it's like a satin finish blade, or a black stonewash finish blade. So let's go ahead and slide these out the way. And we'll just set them over here to the side. And we'll work with this one. We'll start off by going over the specs. First of all, this is a 7.5 inch knife. It is a 3.25 inch D2 steel blade. It utilizes a see-through chassis, so it only has these 2 barrel spacers and the lanyard, not the lanyard, the part that holds the knife together. Has a pocket clip. It's a flipper, drop point, black coated blade, stonewash finish, satin on the other one. We'll bring that over here and show you. Handle length is 4.25. Handle material is G10. Pocket clip is reversible, but only, wait a minute. Tip up carry. Weight of the knife is 2.82 ounces. Liner locks. The handle width is a little large in some spots at 1.1 inches. Flipper has a little jimping on the end. Doesn't really seem to have any effect. A little jimping on the handle at top. Nice little knife though. Seems to deploy and close easily. We like that. Let's show you how it cuts. We'll start off with some paracord. Since it is D2, and we've talked about this numerous times, D2 seems to be the, well, of the economy steels nowadays, I guess that is now, the sharpest out the box. I mean, it's not S30VN or S35 or, you know, S110B, but it comes nice and sharp. Almost every one I've seen does. You can see there it cuts nicely through the cardboard with little to no effort. Wow, that went quickly. So this is considered an everyday carry model. It is very lightweight, under 3 ounces. I do like these satin finish ones here, especially with the red spacer. The green one has a black spacer. But nice little knife. Seems to be very utilitarian and easy to use. So on that note, if you're watching on Instagram, make sure you follow Atlantic Knife. If you're watching on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to our channel. We would greatly appreciate it, and I don't think you'll be disappointed. On that note, this is the Steel Wheel Knives CHATBOT. I am C with Atlantic Knife, signing off.